Game. First ball for Motola. Wala. Hindi bago ba? Umukol na 3. Go. Wala. Rebound number. Number 14. Pass to number 23. Umukol. Wala. Rebound ulit number 23. Umukol ulit. Wala ulit. Rebound yung number 10. Pass to 16. Pass to number 10. Pass to 16. Number 23. Go. Number 8. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 27. Wait. Ganda ng pasa. Wala lang. Rayos. Wala ang ball. Oh. 40s. Lead 40s ball. Plus 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Bubukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni number 10. Same ball. Last 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Wala. Rebound ni number 9. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 9. Wala. Pass to number 27 ulit. Wala ulit. Rebound ni Numera. 2 ito. Tinamig. Pass to number 8. 2 more. 2 points. That's 8 minutes and 17 seconds. Number 8. Boy. Backcourt violation. Pass number 16. Pass number 8. Pass number 27. Pumukul ng 2. Wala. Rebound ni number 8. Pass to number 10. 2 points for number 10. 23. Chavez.
When you're in the
Go
mood
there.
for
2 points.
tunes, M&M's for all
Number
fun times.
9. Pass to number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 27. Pumukul ng 2. 2 points. Go. Number 8. Go. Pass to number 23. Wait. Wala. Rebound ni number 23 ulit. 2 points. Chavez. Number 10. Pass to Sumera. Wala. Rebound ni Go. 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 Matake. Pass to Chavez. Steal. 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Elite 40s ball. Number 40, wala. Same ball. Last 11 seconds to shoot. 11 seconds. Number 47. Wala. Rebound ni Rayos. Rayos. Pass to number 9. To Studio. Pass to Sumera. Pass to Rayos. Pumukul ng 2. 2 points. Number 8, go. Go. Pass to number 26, De La Cruz. Pass to number 7. Pumukul ng 2. Rest to 3 points. Sumera, pass to Studio. Studio, pumukul ng 2. 2 points. Number 26. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Matake. Wala. Pass to Trials. Pass to Sumera. Pass to Studio. Sumera. 2 points to Studio. Number 47. Guzman. Pass to number 14. 2 points. Rayos. Last 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Pass to Pumukol ulit. Wala. Rebound go. Go. Pumukol. Wala. Rebound ni Joey ko. Joey ko number 3. Pass to Rayos. Pass to Rocket. Pass to Amigo. Save. Change 5. Walang change 5 yung Elite 40s. 5 lang sila. Pasok. Mga nanlalamig. Pasok, change 5 tayo, change 5. Okay na rep. Okay na ba? Number 26. Diwa Cruz. Pass number 23. Pass number 47, number 3. 3 points for number 47. Number 7. Paco Peso. Number 7. Pass to Bukol. Pass number 7. Pass number. Wala. Rebound niya ulit. Wala. Rebound ni number 22. Pass to Bukoy. Number 30. Floater. Wala. Rebound ni Chavez. Wala ang bola. Ang number 14. Number ulit. Pass to Chavez. Number 33. Wala. Rebound ni De La Cruz. Easy layup of De La Cruz. Number 7. Number 7. Pass to number 22. Pass to number 38. 2 points. Easy. Wala ulit. So, 2 points. Bukod. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 47. Number 3 ulit. 3 points for number 2 points for number 47. On 16. Number 7, pass to number 16. Pass number 7, Bukol. Wala, rebound na ulit. Pass to number 22. Is 2 points. 2 points for number 22. Number 26. Matake. Wala, rebound ni number 14. Wala ulit. Rebound ni Bukol. Number 38. Number 38, pass to number 7, pass to number 22, pass to number 38, wala, rebound yung number 38 ulit. Wow!
Number 8. First.
2 shots for number 38.
First personal foul. Ian.
So, last free throw for number 38. Asok ulit. Number 8. Number 8. Oy! Nawala ang bola. Kuha ni number 47. Number 47. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 14. Ang ganda ng pasa. Last 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds. Last 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Number 47, open 3. Wala, rebound niya ulit. Pay, pasa ulit din. Ang ganda ng pasa na wala lang bola. Ulit din, pasa number 26. Bumukol. Wala, rebound niyo. Number 8. Bumukol din. 3 points for number 8. 9 Motolite ball. Last 22 seconds and 55 seconds. Bukol. Nakuha ni number 46. Miscommunication for number 36 and number 8. Number 7, last 30 seconds and 35 seconds and 19 seconds to shoot. Number 3 points for number 22. 25, 21, last 23 seconds. Last 18 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Five seconds to shoot.
Excuse me.
3. Good. Huli ka. Good. Basket. 20. Score. 25-23. Lamang ng dalawa ang Motolite.
Rep. Pwede pong ano? Pwede pong pag nandito po, pwede pong kumano kayo, gumilid lang po kayo ng konti para hindi po maharangan.
Hindi, okay.
Thank you po.
Okay lang yun. Alam namin yung
Sige.
Don't worry.
Sige po. Para maganda po yung ano,
Hindi.
video.
Alam mo na, para tabuhan ka sabi mo talaga.
Ah.
Pero pag get nandun yung laro, dito ko dapat. Hindi pwede sa laro.
Sige po.
Masyado malayo, baka sabagay na. Tumakan dahil line ko rin. Diba?
Sige. Pwede lang naman. Laki ng likod eh. Nakikitang-kita eh.
Yan si Rep. Tiraan eh. Tawag talaga, alam niyo yung tatawag eh. Sa minsan lang tumawag eh. Action talaga eh. Motolite ball. Sablay ang tira ni number 47. Number 27. Pass number 2. Pass number 27. Number 8 pala. Number...
Yung pa mo to eh.
Oh, sorry. Number 27. Pass number 24. Pass number 8. Kay 9. Wala. Rebound ni number. Same ball. Ang tawag niya rin. Last 14 seconds to shoot. 14 seconds. Number 2, 8, bumukol. Elite 4 score. Number 8. Pass number 47. Pass number 8. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 26. Pass number 14. Pass number 23. 5 seconds to shoot. 2 points. Good. Number 3. Pass number 9. Number 3. Foul.
Foul number 23. First personal foul. First team foul.
Pasok ang una. Pasok ang pangalawa. Number 8. Pass to number 26. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 7. Bumukha ng 3. Wala. Rebound to number 3. Pass to number 8. Number 8 ito pa madali. Pass to number 3. Mula. Rebounds. Lamang na ang Motolite. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 8. Bulat J. Wala. Rebound ni number 8. Number 8. Ganda ng pass. Ang binili. Oo. Stepping of the line.
Pinasok ka?
Over. 23. Pass to number 8 ulit. Pumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound number 3. Pass to number 8. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 9. 2 points for number 9. Number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Over na number 6. Foul.
Foul, Rayos. First foul. First team foul. First personal foul.
Wala. Ang una. Gusto kaya ang pangalawa? Wala ulit. Number 7 rebound, pass number 8. Pass number 9. Pulat din. Wala. 2 points for number 24. Number 23. Pass number 14. Wala. Point number 8. Kulang J. Wala ulit. Rebound ni number 27. 27. 4v1. Mata. Wala. Rebound number 27. Wala. Number 8. Sumabay. Number 24. Kuha ni number 23. 2 points. Number 8. Pass number 9. 2 points. 7 on the line. Motorite ball. Number 8. Late pass. Pass number 3. Kulang. 2 points. Number 8. Open. Bumukol. Wala. Rebound number 27. Pass number 9. Number 9. 2 points for number 9. Number 23. Pass number 26. 4v1 and transition. 2 points for number 26. Number 9. Pass. Steal by number 23. 4 beat. 3v2 in transition. Good. Steal ulit. Number 23. Pass number 47. Ganda ng pasa. Ay. Stage 5, stage 5, stage 5.
Jud, yan na.
Stage 5, rep. Stage 5, diba? Pasa na.
Change 5.
Stage 5! Wala na naman to. Wait lang.
Wala, naglolo ko yung pindutan. Teka lang.
Ayan, time out rep. Papaulan ka na. Nasaan sila kuya?
Tama yan. 34 yan, 34.
Sinalim ka. Tapos nakapila sila. Galing ka sila.
Basar mo nga eh. Okay na?
Yung 24 minsan naglolo ko rin na.
Baka sa wire lang.
Baka. Number 26. Pass number 8. Number 8. Pass number 14. Bumukol ng 3. Wala. Rebound niya ulit. Pumatake. Kick out pass for number 23. Kulang. Wala ulit. Rebound ni number 3. Kuha ni Isomera. Maganda ng pasa. Wala na. Ano ah?
Baho ah. Akala ko di na pupunta ko eh.
Jualico. Go. Everybody go. Go. Tries a triple. Sure. Bakuban. Someray. Okay. 2 points for number 12. 45-34. Labing isang kalamangan under 3 minutes. Lamang Motolite. De Guzman fakes, shoots, short. And then si Makuban. Makuban stops on the line. Go.
Sino Paul? 12? First.
Number 12, that is his first personal foul. Second team foul. De La Cruz. Go. Go. What is he gonna do? 13 to shoot. German. In and out. Rebound number 12. Mamsino. Nagawan. Go. Short style. He's short. Red ball.
Malas. Sa munisipyo, pasok na yun. Baba doon eh. Mababa yung ring doon eh.
Ito na si Arrogante. Chuawico to Arrogante. Drives, Mamsino. Black ball, turnover. 1 minute and 45 remaining in the second. Gerban receives the pass. De Guzman. Chavez, 15 to shoot. Malakas, Eureka. Arrogante. Lead pass, Mahubat. All alone, touchdown, 2 points. 47-34, labing tatlo lang kalamangan, 1 minute and 19 in our second quarter. Go. Go. Chavez. Turnover. Dagaw de Guzman to Chavez. 5-on-1 break. Go. 2 points. Chuawico. Lead by Sumera. Mancino, 2 points. 49-36. Labing tatlo ang kalamangan with 40 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Gerban. Gerban. Kick out. De Guzman. De Guzman, go. Short. Ito na si Mahubat, 3-on-1 break. Mahubat. Sumera. Easy 2. That's 20 seconds. 51-36. Go. Ladies and gentlemen, 51-30. That's 9 seconds. Chuawico, tumitigil sa clock. Chuawico. Sumera. Last 2 seconds. 2 seconds remaining.
Hindi na pala yung laban sunod eh.
Ano yung Panthers? Tsaka Brothers.
Wala, natama ang numbers.
Pag-complete.
End of the second quarter. Official score is 51-38 in favor of Motolan.
May laban yan. Kompleto ata yung Panthers eh.
Kompleto.
Pag kompleto sila, ayos yan.
Sila basta. Kasi na ano doon.
Pero pag di sila kompleto, yari sila. Tatambakan sila.
Hoy, siya nga. Baka alam ito, ang kayat na maingay, laro ka gabi.
Sagon?
Isagon. Yeah, gusto mo na ano? Oo, dala ka ha, sabi ko. Dadala ko sa sabi yan. Sabi ko, tahimik ka lang ha, hindi pwede yan, sasala ko na eh.
Back
to the ball game. Start of the third quarter.
Atat umuwi itong mga to. Game na gito. Nagmamadali umuwi ah.
Kapunitan. Dorayos. Gets to the friendly roll. 2 point, 53-38. De Guzman. Sa ilalim, naagawan. Lead pass to number 22. Kapunitan. Low. Same basketball with 14 on the shot clock for Monolite. 14 seconds to shoot. Same ball with 12 seconds to shoot. Wala. Nakakuha niya rin. Kapunitan sa ilalim. Fade away. Go. Kapunitan pa rin. Malaban na lilipasan. Nakakuha sa Chavez. Ito si Garban. Quickly to Garcia. Garcia behind the back. Lays it up. Traveling violation. Rios. Good defense. Tapping out the ball with 20 seconds to shoot for Monolite. Rios, number 27. Sa gitna, binalik ni Buboy. What a play. 2 points, 55-38. 17 hinahabol ng 840s. 8 minutes and 27 remaining in our third.
Tumambak na po.
Ito si Gerban. Gerban, kita,
Tikit lang muna.
Garcia, time to shoot. Short, rebound Gerban. Lead pass. All along is number 9 for the easy 2 points. 57-38. Chavez. De Guzman. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Offensive rebound to go. 12 to shoot. Sa gitna Chavez, free throw jumper. It's no good. Rebound to Chavez. 12 to shoot. Gets the friendly roll for goal. Making our official tally 57-40. Still in favor of Monolite. Here's number 15. Binigay kay Rios. Eto na si number 14. De Guzman. De Guzman! 3! 57-43. Castillo 2 points. 59-43. 7 minutes and 3 seconds in the third. Chavez, dire-diretso, pick up the goal. All low. Malakas. Rebound, offensive forward, di Chavez. De Guzman, another try. Short, rebound. Good back to number 9, Custodio, lays it up and in. 61-43. Gerban, wala. Chavez, 2 points. 61-45. Sa ilalim, Custodio. No! Rebound Buboy. Buboy. At the post.
Huli ka!
Chavez, 2 points. 61-47. 6 minutes and 10 seconds in the third. Nilabas, nakuha. Buboy, the big guy. Wala pa rin. Second try is good. 63-47. Go! Go! 3! substitution.
Good! Good na rep! Rep!
Time out? Time out ba? Time out?
Ayaw to.
Oh, time out. Time out.
Timeout!
Elite.
Elite 40s. Official score 63-50 in favor of Montellite with 5 minutes and 22 in the third quarter.
Samahan yata kaya?
Ha? Tirahan niya.
Sinigo ata.
Sini ka na bukoy.
Hindi. Ito. Tanda.
Si Eluel.
Back to the action. Garcia bringing down the basketball, gives it to Chavez. De La Cruz.
Wala nga.
Gerban. Wala. Ito na si Chuawico. 3-on-3 break. Nag-aantay na ang kampe. Binigay kay number 7. Back to Chuawico. 2 points for number 24. Credit the assist to number 3. 65-50. 15 ang inahabol ng Elite 40s with under 5 minutes. Garcia. Sa ilalim. Good pass. Bad shot. Go. Umatras sa 3. Go! 3! 65-53. Isang dosena ang malangangan. Ito na si number 7. 13 to shoot. Mahubay. Short. Rebounding. Mahubay. Nakuha ang baseball. 10 to shoot. Mahubay. Another tray. Mahubay. 3! 68-53.
Shooter talaga yan, no?
5 seconds in the third.
Walang hesitation pag dumira.
Go! Gerban, react back to Chavez. Chavez scores. 68-55. 3 minutes and 45
Manny Pacquiao.
Here's number 7, Gaspar Anar.
You know?
Gaspar Anar, showtime. No good. Rebound number 3, 2 points. 70-55. 3 minutes and 27. Sa ilalim, good pass. Blows the easy layup. Ito na si Gaspar Anar. Gaspar Anar stops. Shoots a triple. No. Makuha with the offensive board. 15 to shoot. Sa ilalim, Chuawico, reverse layup, 2 points. 72-55, 3 minutes and 5 seconds in the third.
Galing, may chemistry na.
Garcia, he give it a bit. Garcia, sa ilalim ng basa. Save ball.
Walang bakawan.
With 12 seconds on the shot clock for Elite
Nakakawang
40s.
bola.
12 to shoot. Under 3 minutes to go. Garcia! 3! Nakago pa ni De La Cruz. Go! Basket is good, plus a foul. Foul on number 7, Gaspar Anar.
First.
That is his first personal foul, first team foul. Bonus free throw awarded to number 8. Go. Makes the three-point play. 72-61, labing isa na lang hinahabol ng Elite 40s. With 2 minutes and 34 in our third quarter, Gaspar Anar. Mamubat fires. The rebound, number 3. But there's a foul. On number 23, Chavez. That is his second personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws for number 3, Mata. Second throw is good as well. 2 out of 2 for Mata, making the tally 74-61. Go! Dinilabas kay Chavez. 15 to shoot. Garcia fakes. Garcia kay Chavez. Blows the layup. Mata. points. 76-61, 2 minutes. Go! Pumukol! Go! 3! 76-64. Balik sa 12, talamangan ng Motolite. 1 minute and 42. Crash Paranar. Nabasa-basa. Recover by ng ubat. Ang ubat. Mata. Nilapit na Bagya against the friendly back row. 78-64. 14. Garcia. Behind the back. Lays it up. No good. Go. Second try. Wala pa rin. Eto na si Makubat. 3 on 2. Makubat. Shoots. The rebound, Chavez. Siya na pinanagaba. 4 on 2. Chavez. Go. No. Chavez. Second try is good. 78-66. Balik isang dosena. Ito na si Gasparanar. 3 on 3. Gasparanar. Basket is good. 80-66. Our official tally. 45 seconds remaining. Bad pass. Chumawiko to Tyler. Makubat. Mata. 2 points. 82-66. 30 seconds remaining. Nakakaw pa ni Makubat. Makubat. Easy 2 points. 20 seconds remaining. Yaman, 15 seconds. 14 seconds remaining. De La Cruz. 8 seconds to go. Garcia, 5 to shoot. Garcia runner. Malakas. End of the third quarter. Official score is 84-66, still in favor of Motolite.
Mag-aagawan to sa second tsaka third. Itong Motolite, Churba, tsaka yung Hindi, yung ang last game ng sa Monday, Churba, tsaka Motolite.
Last two. O last three.
Last game na nila. So, ngayon sa Monday. Tapos sa Thursday.
Back to the ball game.
Ha?
Start of a fourth
Sa Monday.
quarter.
Sa Thursday.
Semis na. Tapos, binago na natin yung schedule sa Thursday, semis. Sa Linggo, yung finals.
Sige, pwede.
12:30 dapat nandito ka na. Alauna tayo. Oo, hanggang alas 5.
Ayoko. Sana wala kaming laro. Kuya.
Huwag ka na maglaro.
Way off the mark.
Bigyan niya yung best player kay manager na.
Sige, sige.
Sobera. Custodios basket. 2 points.
Yeah.
Bet kita ang kalamangan, 86-66. Chavez. Sa labas De La Cruz. Malakas, rebound Rayos.
Habol po.
Black ball.
Bilis pa tumakbo.
Injury yun.
Kung di huminto yun, habol yun Nagkalangan siya
Go. De Guzman. 15 to shoot. De La Cruz. Drives. 8 to shoot. Rebound Chavez. Garcia. Second try. Wala pa rin. Arrogante. Lead pass to Custodio. Touchdown. Custodio defense.
Mga 30 points.
Go.
Bigyan ni 30 points.
Go. De Guzman, reverse layup. Wala. Go. Wala pa rin. Arrogante. Custodio. Back to Arrogante. Sir. 90-66. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. De La Cruz scores on the runner. 90-68. Sobera. Ganaw. Garcia. 4-1. Goal. 2 points. Rayos. Adelante. Sobera. Custodio. 2 points. 92-70. Way off the mark.
Magkaka-basket time out.
Sobera. Custodio.
Time out.
Basket good. Timeout. Elite 40s. Official score is 94-70 in favor of Motolite with 7 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in the ballgame.
24 na, 24. Gawin mo mga 40.
Back to the ballgame.
40? Oo, si Longlong. 41 na ata. Ha? Si Longlong?
12 agad kasi.
Oo, may plus. May free throw na 12 eh. 40 lang, mga 40. Si Longlong.
Roll.
Oh, grabe yung ginawa nila. For 3 points.
Sa gitna, Chavez. Scores. 94-72.
Tsaka yung humihiga na. Nagpipay daw yung humihiga na.
22 defense. Arrogante. Somera. Nakuha niya ang rebound. Somera. Arrogante. Back to Somera. 3 seconds in the key. Turnover.
Wala si Vidal yun. Kaya tayo dyan. Wala si Vidal yun. Yari yun.
Chavez. Garcia fires. Rebound Chorico. Turnover. Roll. De Guzman. Rebound Gasparanar. 3-on-3. Gasparanar lifting violation. Turnover. De Guzman. De Guzman. Chavez. 2 points. 94-74 under 6 minutes. Silvera. Back to Silvera. Gasparanar fakes. 3 seconds in the key. Turnover.
Dalawa turnover.
De La Cruz. Go. Romira. Wala. Rebound Chorico. Sa ilalim Silvera. Back to Arrogante. No good. No good. Chorico. Yes sir. 96-74.
Tangkod technical. Una-una kasi nagdudulo siya.
Number 12, Magsino, technical.
Technical foul on number 12, Magsino. Technical free throw awarded to number 8, Go. Too much muscle behind. Garcia, exactly 5 minutes.
9-18.
De La Cruz, go. Malakas. Wala yung depensa. Silvera, 2 points.
Sabdoy.
Substitution. Only the first team foul. De La Cruz. Wala. Arrogante. Nagmamadali. 3-on-2. Custodio. Behind the back pass. Rasparanaar 2 points. 100-74. Garcia. Number 40, Garcia. Chavez. Go. 15 to shoot. Chavez. Garcia. 7 to shoot. Wala pa rin. Chavez. 2 points for Chavez. 176. 3 minutes and 42. Arrogante Custodio. 102-76. 3.5 to go. De La Cruz. De Guzman. Rebound go. Another 3-point try. Joawico. Wala ng depensa. Easy 2 points for Custodio. 104-76.
Tatambakan tong Founders, wala yung binalyon.
Under 3 minutes remaining. 13 to shoot. Garcia drives. No. Wala na pong bababa. Ang gusto nila tumira. Ito si Custodio.
Hinahapon na.
Custodio. Lembre. Nakakuha ni Garcia. Good effort for Garcia. Going down the floor. Ito si Wamigo. Gasparanar. Custodio. Arrogante. Gasparanar. Nawala ang bola. De Guzman. Derecho. 2 points. 104-78. Gasparanar. Last 2 minutes. Go. Go. Wala pa rin. Chihuahuico. Arrogante. Arrogante. Double punch. Wala. Arrogante crossover. Custodio receives. 12 to shoot. Rebound pa rin ni Custodio. Number 1 gets the friendly roll. 106-78. Garcia. Diretso 2 points. 106-80. Naalo ni Go. Go gets the 2 points to go. 106-82. 68 seconds remaining. Gasparanar. Whoa! Turnover.
Sayang yun ah.
De La Cruz, after a minute working in the ball game. De La Cruz. Yes, sir. 106-84. Gasparanar, Custodio, no. Rebound Arrogante. Arrogante short. Rebound go. Siya pa rin. Wala pa rin yan. Red ball. Last 29 seconds.
Dito na.
Baseball pass. Custodio receives. Mabuhat at the top of the key. Mabuhat. 109-84. Last 15 seconds. Garcia. Showtime. No. De Guzman. Short. Custodio last 3 seconds. And the
Ano na?